Well, one thing to keep in mind is that which is required to be restored to health, the same is required to maintain health. So if you don't have cancer, in other words, it hasn't been diagnosed, it hasn't been detected, because I want you to all realize we all have at least nanograms, micrograms, milligrams of cancer in our body. But not all of them turn into tumors. And that's where the problem becomes. So what is cancer prevention? Well, it actually involves most of the things you would do in a cancer treatment program, but on a much lighter scale. Okay? So basically, we teach the person, again, how to maintain a biochemistry within their body that doesn't produce cancer. Okay? We know that what cancer needs. Cancer needs sugar. Cancer needs low amounts of oxygen so that it can survive. And cancer needs stress. So, all these things that cancer needs to grow. So what we do is we change the person's biochemistry by teaching them how to live in a way that's appropriate to a healthy physiology. Okay, and a healthy physiology will not develop 1 gram of cancer. You can still have milligrams or micrograms. It's okay. It's normal. It's part of what's going on, but it doesn't have to become cancer. So we do that. In terms of therapies, interventions, there's not a lot of interventions. We might be able to use a few of the ones like lower doses of intravenous vitamin C and some other things like that are antioxidant and, again, help prevent the cells from becoming cancer. And the third thing we do is we really, again, work on the immune system. Because if we can get the immune system strong, the person's not going to develop cancer. And when they do develop a cluster of cells that are cancer, they're quickly gobbled up and taken care of. Without a powerful immune system, that won't happen. So we do all 3 of those things. We change chemistry, target by cleaning up some of the mess with certain IVs, and we enhance the immune system. By doing all these things, the person won't develop cancer. I mean, unless, of course, they go to Chernobyl or they go to Fukushima and take a vacation there, they just might run into cancer. But as long as they can be smart enough to avoid these extremely toxic situations, then they won't get it.